school. I am Katie, student at Sriralula School. I would like to introduce my family. My family has 4 members. It is my father, my mother, my brother, and me. This is my father. His name is Star. He is handsome. He likes to do housework. This is my mother. Her name is Skip. She is beautiful. She likes to sleep. This is my brother. His name is Stem. They are special to me. Thank you.